Topic 2, Lesson 1, Repeating Patterns. Well, you already know skip counting patterns such as your 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or even your 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And you know that you continue the pattern by adding, or in some cases, subtracting the same number again and again. In this lesson, you're going to learn about shape patterns and how to extend them. So our standard says to generate a number, or in our case, a shape pattern that follows a given rule, and identify apparent features of the pattern that maybe were not explicit, didn't actually come out and say it, but you can figure it out on your own. Our focus is, how can you continue a repeating pattern? Let's take a look. Let's say you're given this repeated pattern, and we're only looking at the ones right here in the red, and you have your square, triangle, trapezoid, and then triangle again. Those are the first four. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the first four shapes, and that's the set pattern we're looking at. And so if we're going to repeat it, we're going to start off with moving that over to here. So that's the next one. And then we have another one, the triangle. And so that would be number 5 and number 6 in the shape. So our question is, what do you predict will be the 10th shape? Well, that should be pretty easy since we already have it set up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. So we go square, and then triangle, trapezoid, triangle, square, triangle. What would come next? Well, it would be the trapezoid. And that would be number 7. Number 8 would be triangle. How do I know that? Because look, what comes right after the trapezoid? A triangle. And then we go to the next one, which would be square. That would be a 9th shape. And then finally, our last shape would be triangle. So we're just following the pattern here. Now, look back at the pattern. If you show it 3 times, how many triangles would you show in all? So take a look. If we go back to our original pattern, which is the main part right here, that's these 4. And that's our set pattern. But if you did that 3 times, how many triangles would you show? And that's the key here. So let's take a look. 3 times. This is what you'd have. This would be the first set, the second set, the third set, and how many triangles do you have? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 triangles if we showed the set 3 times. And that's how you can extend it, a pattern, a shape pattern, as well as find out things that are inside it that necessarily the rule doesn't tell you, but you can figure it out once you extend the pattern. Now, try some on your own. Good luck.